What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how you can split columns quickly and easily in Microsoft Excel. So here we have an example where we have names of people with a dash and then their age. And we want to split the name and their age. So to do this, all we have to do is first highlight the information that we're looking to split. So Shift Control down arrow, go to Data, Text to Columns, and there are two different categories that you can split information by. So one is fixed width. So for example, with fixed width, you can select a specific point that you want to split the information at. So for example, you can select it to split right here. But for this situation, because there's a commonality in that the information is separated by a dash, we're going to do delimited, and this basically makes it where we can split the column by an item such as a comma, a space, or a tab. So, for example, if we select the checkbox space, as you can see, it splits name, dash, and then the age, and then other, you can do dash. And as you can see, if you put the period instead of a dash, it doesn't work because we have a dash. So, but if we select dash, then it works like that. Also, you can select multiple boxes to have it to where you split by multiple things. So if you have a combination of spaces and dashes, then you can do that. Um, and when we split the columns, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, we can have names right here and then age right here. So with that being said, I hope that this was useful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It would really mean a lot. Watch till the end. And check out this other video. I think I found it to be helpful. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.